Nice, smile. Smile for the camera. Show your eyes. Open up. Open, open. Open. This is Kaylin Joy, and she has the hiccups. And we're trying to figure out if she's hungry or not. You hungry? Yep.